everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel, Always Sunshine. And today we will unbox this package. I got this the other day, and this is from Good Man. Anyways, I'm the one who bought this. Okay. Um, okay, let's see what's inside. Ouch. Okay, this is what's inside in it. Oh, okay, open this thing. Oh, no. Here we go. Oh, wow. Okay. Oops. This is my AirPods. Has the one. I'm so sorry if it's very noisy because the garbage truck is coming to collect all the garbage. And here you go. Okay, here. Here. Oops. Oh, it needs charge. This one. Here's the charger. Okay, and here is the cord. Anyways, I choose to bought this one. This is the second. I think this is the second edition or second generation. I decided to bought this than the newly one, because as I research and ask people who have this kind and the new one, this one has more longer battery life than the new one, except that it's $50 cheaper also, so that's why I get this thing. And the sound effect is the same between the two, the Pro and the this one. The only differences between the two are this thing for the ears. The newly has like a, I don't know what you call that. It has a rubber in it for the ears, but I really don't matter as long as I can use. The sounds is really nice, so that's why I decided this. And the most important is the battery life. That's why I choose to get this than the other one. Anyways, finally I got this. I really need this at this moment. Because I wanted this long time ago, but it's kinda like not in my priority. But now, finally, I got it. So let's try to use it later. It need charge, so um, I know I would love this because as I research and try the new and this one, I really love this than the pro or the newly one. So thank you so much for being with me for unboxing my AirPod. Thank you so much. Also, it's a wireless charging case, so it's more comfortable and to use. Bye for now, and I'm happy I have this. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.